In the tablets, it talks about the fact that the Igigi, who were the working class Anunnaki beings who were cleaning out the Euphrates and Tigris River so they can create irrigation and create a bustling civilization, they were doing the actual construction themselves, just them working. They were like the construction workers, and Enki and Enlil, these leader gods, were like, the foremen, master architects, and so forth. So these people were working, but they weren't supposed to be enslaved. They were volunteers. They got tired of doing the work, according to them, for about 250,000 years of labor on Earth and also on Mars. This is in the text. They call it Lamu. And so they decided to go to war against Enki, Enlil, and Anu because their demands had not been met. Get ready to go to battle. And then Enki says, I have an idea that will stop this war. There's an existing being on this planet. We can add our essence to talking about taking the DNA or genetics from one of themselves and mixing it with the DNA of the hominid that was here to create a worker being. They began to do this genetic modification. To get us to take orders from them, they inserted something called a worship gene, which was just discovered recently. Human beings have a gene inside of them that can be turned on and turned off, because then you're not a slave anymore. You're doing this for the honor of the gods.